literally, it's 11 on the dot now.
Yeah, we rang in because yesterday we were at the restaurant and we were sat there and we were like, oh, they're fully booked, we're not going to be able to do it, we're going to have to wait like a week. But then we called up this morning and we
called like 45 minutes ago, right?
Yeah, we called, yeah.
Oh, we're going.
Oh my god, it's quite fast.
There's nothing beneath us.
No, this is...
Can you film down there?
It's kind of scary.
Oh, it is quite scary.
It's cool though. We're going to the jungle.
This is the one that someone fell off and died, right?
Stop. No, it isn't.
Yeah, there's a couple that fell.
How did they do that? No, that was the line that you ride. Zip line. Yeah, it was.
It's a sky rail.
No, it was zip line.
Sky rail.
It wasn't.
Yeah, we keep visiting places.
They didn't.
We keep visiting places where people die. Becca's really scared.
Yeah, because you keep saying that it's gonna, and it keeps cracking.
The seat keeps cracking because it's made out of like this plastic stuff. That's actually a lie, like the whole thing keeps cracking because it's only held on.
Stop!
We're on the sky rail. We called about 45 minutes before because they said that they didn't have any tickets. We've got a dive booked tomorrow. We've got 2 dives down on the Great Barrier Reef, which is really cool. So we were hoping that we could make this happen before we did the dive and then go further north up to Daintree and Cape Tribulation and stuff like that. Oh, look at that view. That's really pretty high. So yeah, we called up this morning because Becca was like, oh, just give them a call, like see what the chances are. So I called them and they were like, oh no, just switch around the rail. Like there's a scenic rail that takes you right the way through the waterfalls and you can only get to some of these waterfalls through the rail service. So she was like, oh, just switch them around. Then you can come on the sky rail, and we had like 45 minutes to get here and we just made it. Look at that view, guys. Ooh. That is nice, and we're gonna get higher and higher up until we go over this ridge. We're already pretty high. You can see Cairns in the background. If you've not been to Cairns before, it's not a big city, but it's pretty beautiful because we're on the side of the Great Barrier Reef, the side of the Daintree rainforest.
Oh, look, there's one of those.
Oh yeah, you can go in an open one.
No, thank you. Imagine what it would be like with the diamond view.
Oh my god.
You can get one that's like a glass floor.
Yeah, honestly, I don't know how we would have dealt with that.
I think that would have been really cool, and you get used to it after a while, probably just like this. I was freaking out first, but you made me freak out.
That was the point.
We just got to go off and go for a little jungle walk, and look at this big tree. King of the jungle.
Over 400 years up.
Yeah.
400.
This is what the baby cassowaries would look like. It's the dinosaur bird of the rainforest, and we've seen it twice. Oh, this is like a giant fingernail.
Yeah, apparently he calls it other cassowaries. So that's for like picking up other cassowaries.
That's crazy. Brekkie
That's
time.
what comes between man and food. Let me tell you. Not even a view like this. Start recording the first thing you do.
Look at that, that's not good.
We're going to make a stop in Kuranda. We just stopped off at Barren Falls. Kuranda, we're going to go buy a little bit of brunch, I reckon. It's going to be brunch because we haven't really eaten much because we were in such a rush this morning. But yeah, this is our last little stop, and then we're going to come back on the scenic railway. Oh yeah, man. Look at that view.
Wow, it feels weird to stand up.
I won't be able to do that.
We're in Coranda now, just looking around in the shops. I need a new sarong. I quite like this one. Should we get on?
Let's do it.
Guys, today was our proper like first full day here in CAIRNS, and yesterday we were really like bummed because we thought we weren't going to make it onto the sky rail, but we did make it today. We called up like 40 minutes before, so we went first on the sky rail, which was amazing, and then we took the scenic train, which was like really old. I think it started running in like the 1930s and they started building it in like the 18s. That was really cool and beautiful. And then after that we were pretty like tired, so we went to the lagoon here in CAIRNS and we just chilled there, which is just like a pool with like fake sand, and it's really cool. And then we got back here and we did a little barbecue. We made veggie burgers with like a salad. It was really good, and we did sweet corn on the barbecue as well. And now it is 9:30. We keep going to bed so early. I think it's like the heat that like takes it out of me. I've been so tired recently. But now I'm just packing for tomorrow, because tomorrow's a super exciting day. We are going diving here on the Great Barrier Reef, and I have never been diving before, so I'm like super excited and a little bit scared, because like diving, I don't know, you're so far under the water with just like a tank that you're breathing out of. But I've always wanted to do it, so I'm finally doing it. I'm doing an intro dive because I obviously haven't got my diver certificate, so I think I'm going down with someone and I have to be like linked, so that's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna bring my GoPro. I might get Tommy to film because he's got his diver certificate, so he's a bit more experienced, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I'm just packing my little bag here, so yeah, I will see you tomorrow morning. I think we're leaving at like 8.
Ready for a dive?
Okay, we're on the boat on the Great Barrier Reef. We're about to go diving. I'm doing my intro dive.
And hopefully I'll be able to join you for at least one of the dives. That'd be cool. Because otherwise, that'll kind of suck if we do 2 dives and we can't join each other for either.
good. We saw turtles, sharks.
Yeah, what did we see? We saw like 3, maybe 4 different white tip sharks.
So cool.
Like this huge turtle that was like chilling out and sleeping. There's some triggerfish out there as well that we try not to get too close to.
A lot.
Yeah. You saw so many in your first dive. That's insane.
The fish are getting fed down here.
Yeah.
And now I'm having some fruit. Yum. We're going for our second dive now.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring the GoPro, so stay tuned.
Yeah, Tommy's GoPro filming.
I've got it.
Thanks
I'll
for
give you all the shots of Becca and the sharks and the turtles.
Thank you.
Same thing as before, guys. We're gonna go and sit down at the back there. So right hand on your mat in the right center. Left one on the back of your mat strap. Chin down, roll forward. Beautiful. Now press the red button, darling.
Do this.
I can't believe you guys saw 4 turtles today. That's insane. 4 turtles, 2 sharks, and 2 stingrays.
We're back now.
Shame that's over.
Yeah.
Did 2 really cool dives. Saw loads of stuff.
Got to let go of the instructor, which was really cool. And do a little bit by myself. Lots of turtles. So I didn't film an outro to that video, so I'm just doing that now, and I just wanted to thank all of you guys so much for watching my videos and leaving all your lovely comments and your messages on Instagram and your comments on Instagram. Everything just means so much to me, and I don't know, your comments are just like really motivating me to keep going, because even though every time I upload a video I lose subscribers, all your guys' comments, like knowing that those who actually watch my videos like genuinely really enjoy them, that means more to me than the number, because I know like I love doing this and it seems like you guys love it. Then I know that as long as I just keep doing this, the people who want to watch this kind of things will hopefully come to me. But yeah, thank you so much for supporting me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a question for mine and Tommy's Q&A that we'll be filming very soon in the comments. I've already asked you guys on Instagram, but if you guys have any comments, just feel free to leave them in the comments. Also leave video requests. And again, if you do have any places in Australia that you wish to visit or that you would like to see us go to, do leave them, because we would love to go visit them for you, because obviously you guys can't get here because of lockdown. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow my social medias on the screen here. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next episode of my Australia road trip series. Bye.
I would like to get to know it.